So, good day everyone. This is my case study, remote desktop. So first, punta muna tayong Active Directory and then sa computers. As you can see, may dalawa tayong connected computers which is yung Windows 7 and XP. So sa Windows 7, go to Start, right-click Computer, Properties, Remote Settings, and then enable na natin yung remote desktop. Allow connections from computers running any version of remote desktop. Apply, okay. So, try natin access. So, search natin remote desktop connection. Then, lagay natin yung computer name, which is Stanes 7 sa Windows 7. And then, connect. Then, login lang tayo. Type natin yung password. Then, okay. So, another user is currently logged on to this computer. Then, yes lang natin. And then, mag-send siya ng message sa Windows 7. So, pwede natin siyang okay or i-wait na lang natin ma-disconnect. So, ayan, na-disconnect na. So, ayan. Maka-login na tayo sa Windows Server 2008 sa Windows 7. So, ayan, naka-login na tayo sa Windows 7 and na-log out na yung currently log on sa Windows 7. So, X, X na natin yung Windows 7 sa server. So, next naman is yung Stanis XP na computer. So, same pa rin, remote desktop, then yung computer name, Stanis XP, then connect. Ay, sa ano pala, sa Windows XP, right-click my computer then, and then remote, allow, enable din natin yung remote desktop, allow users, apply, then okay. So, connect ulit tayo. Then yes. And then login. Login na tayo sa Windows XP inside the Windows Server 2008. So, yun, nakalagin na tayo sa Stanis XP using Windows Server 2008 and remote desktop. So, exit na natin, okay. So, that's how you enable and use remote desktop in Windows Server 2008. Thank you for watching.